You ready?
Nah, way down on my shit.
So hanging out the window.
Fuck that. We finna drag.
We banging the bitches.
Fuck.
We about to bang the bitches.
Fuck yeah. Bang that bitch, shorty. Yeah. What the?
We can do that. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go.
My shit fast. Yeah, chat. We in the garage. We getting the work done.
You got the mic on?
It's Janky right here getting me right.
No, need the bag.
You got the mic on, dummy.
Hold on. Get the parts, bro.
Yeah, you got the parts. Hold on, let me get the flash on.
Wild pipe, you feel me? Yeah.
Alright.
Like that.
Alright.
Got man G right there.
AG.
Talk to the vlog, shorty.
Yo, JD right. We getting them right. We getting them right.
Yeah,
He done joined the Fin team.
Right here. Oh, that BQ.
Damn, no.
BQ. Oh, yeah, we do kind of.
That was Fin right there. Fin. Oh, this
Fin.
I don't got no Fin. I'm ready to get a Fin though. My Honda, I said my Honda. My Maxima just broke down on me, dummy. I gotta get a Fin now.
Yeah, he ready to get the Fin.
I'm ready to get me a Fin. What is it? The Q60? The Q60 little motherfucker. Bro got that shit on.
Get that, bro, for the rats, bro. Drop me Instagram. That shit VQ'd our bro. Yeah, tag me, y'all.
Oh, shit.
I ain't gonna lie, Chad. As y'all can see, my wild pipe was cooked. I'm ready to show y'all how it sounded in the next clip. That's why I had to get a new one. That bitch spunky. Yo, what the fuck? What are you talking about, bitch? Oh yeah, you bitch ass. That one nigga Janky on the gas. He's like that.
Best street I right there.
Come on, y'all. Come on, my back on.
Rev your shit. Rev your shit. Huh?
Get in. Take time on. Down there?
Hey, yo. Rev your shit. Rev it.
Guy's such a bad man. The girl raped his car and keyed it, and it says weirdo.
Oh, don't know, dumbass.
Look at this weirdo. Get his hood too. That's because he tried to cheat too.
Just like you.
No. End it.
Shit, that dog was trying to container spot.
Double T down there. What's Sunday? What's Sunday?
What, the blunt?
You know, man's comment.
I do that every time I fucking rule. Oh yeah, you know what the fuck it is. We on the plug with it.
I know it is. Bitch, a nice bitch. That's how the fucking group. From the mug, can't nobody say it. She called me cheating, but I flipped it, babe. I hate when you accuse
My
me.
bitch always catch me cheating. She got flipping on it.
Careful with what you put in your body, okay? Zero sugar, all right? That's what's gonna make you strong and fly. That's your man with the fly jacket, right? Where's the jacket? Where's the jacket? Oh, it's all up. Okay. and it's dancing. Okay, so this is one of the locations regional wide. Okay, get a shot of the jacket. Get a shot of your brand.
I gotta get one. Tell me guys, it's different out here.
Yo, you gotta get one. What we have here is young Christian men. You're not robbing anybody. You're not taking anything from anybody. They're trying to make their own. And this is what we had to do as a people. We had to make our own. We had to create our own. And we had to be after our own. My African American kings, queens, and high priests. God bless you. I'm Minister Kevin, motivational speaker, substance abuse counselor, and in college to be a mental health therapist. Come from the streets of Baltimore. First incarceration at 14. Second one at 7. 10 years. God changed my life, and if He can change my life, He can do the same thing for you. All you have to believe, like these young men, have a vision and have a dream, and you'll get the desires of your life. Good night. So, this is how you know a real man. Okay? Not a male. A real man. A real man has multiple pools to collect from. Like these young men. They create multiple streams of income. By the time they get my age and have found Christ and reigning in life, they should be wearing $600 belts. They should be wearing $1,200 shoes.
Get like that.
They should be wearing white. White represents holiness. Please, I beg you to endorse this brand. It's OG, I'm out. Have a great night.
They bluffing. Back on your shit, though.
Hit that shit again.